ready to make your code reach out and touch someone. Let's dive straight into making an outbound call with your Twilio number first. You'll need a Twilio account if you don't have one already. Head over to Twilio.com and sign up for a free trial. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Twilio console here. You'll find your account SID and Auth token, which you'll need to authenticate your requests. Keep these safe, they are like the keys to your Twilio kingdom. Next, make sure you have a Twilio phone number if you don't have one yet. You can purchase one directly from the Twilio console. Choose a number that suits your needs. Now, let's look at the code. This code snippet uses the Twilio helper library in your preferred language. To make the API request, you'll need to install it first. Replace the placeholder values for the to and from phone numbers. The to number is the phone number you want to call, and the from number is your Twilio phone number. The code includes TwiML instructions, which tell Twilio what to do when the call connects in this example. It simply reads out a message using text-to-speech, but you can customize this to play a message, collect input, or connect to another call. Run your code and watch the magic happen. You should receive a phone call from your Twilio number, and you'll hear the message you configured in your TwiML, and that is how to make an outbound call with Twilio. Now you're all set to explore the endless possibilities of Twilio's voice API. Happy coding!